Welcome to solverfy.
The first thing we should do here is to just factor that denominator as much as we can. So here we'll get x squared minus 4, x squared plus 4. And then we should check to see if these factor. So if we look at the first one here, this is just x plus 2, x minus 2. How about the second one? Will this one factor? So you look at the discriminant here, b squared minus 4ac. It's a negative number here for this problem, for this x squared plus 4. So that means it does not factor. So we'll have to write it like that. And then we could go straight to the partial fraction. So constant for the first two. And then because we have an irreducible quadratic on the bottom in green, we have to put a linear up top. So we have cx plus d. So here, let me write this. We have to find a, b, c, and d, of course. So a is negative 1 over 32. B, positive 1 over 32. And then we have that c is 0 and d is minus 1 over 8. So I just pulled out the minus there. And then we have x squared plus 4. Now the first two integrals, those are easier. And then we have 1 over 32 ln. Oops, 32 there. Got sloppy there. And then here we have x minus 2. And then for this last integral here, a little more difficult than the first two, you could do a trig sub here. Let x be 2 tan theta. And so when we integrate this, we'll have the 1 over 8 with the minus from this term right here. And then after integrating, that's tan inverse of x over 2 and then divided by 2. Again, all coming from the trig sub over here. Now let me just go to the next page and write that out. So combining the logarithms. So here I'm just combining log using the log properties and then combining the 8 and the 2, that's 16. And that's our final answer.